Hi, I'm Leonie West from Westerly Design, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to fit our Westerly ruler foot to your Bernina machine. This is a B350 Patchwork Edition. We remove the foot from the machine, and then we're going to replace that foot with our ruler foot. The ruler foot has been placed on a Bernina adapter shank, so we just put that on. Once we've attached our ruler foot to the machine, we need to adjust the height. We do this simply by loosening the screw and gently moving until we have it so our fabric rides nicely under the foot. We want our fabric to float. With this model of Bernina, the foot has a slight hopping motion. So when sitting this machine, I lower the needle to its lowest point, and that is the position where I will work my setting of the foot height. When we're doing free motion quilting, some people lower their feed dogs and some people like to drop the stitch length. So I'm going to lower the stitch length to 0. And that way my feed dogs aren't feeding the fabric. And it depends on which way you like to work, whether you lower the stitch length or drop the feed dogs. Bring my threads up at the centre, because that's where we're going to start sewing. So I'm going to place my template underneath the foot. Move the foot over. I will lower the foot. Now I can see through the hole in the middle the centre of my crosshairs, and I'm going to use my hand wheel to lower the needle. I'm going to bring up those threads from underneath. So I've got the bobbin thread and the top thread, and they've come through to the top. I like to tie these threads off, and we'll discuss that later in another video. So now that I've done that, I'll lower the foot again, bring my needle back down, just using the hand wheel. You can use your pedal if you have a needle up and down, which will lower the needle and keep it in the down position. So now what I'm going to do is sew around that template, and I'm going to line up. Once I've completed stitching the pattern, I'm going to raise the needle, raise my foot, and now I can bring out my work, and that's one Spin Effects number 6 sewn on a Bernina.